The renowned mathematician and philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz transports us to a tiny universe with his discovery of infinitesimal calculus. Imagine breaking down a complex image into infinite flashes of color, each so small that it is barely perceptible, yet altogether they form an impressive creation. Leibniz, in his quest to understand continuous changes, gives us the necessary tools to see the world under this powerful lens of infinity. He showed us that even the smallest, the infinitesimal, can be key to the functioning of machines, the gears of physics, and even more strikingly, the way we conceive the entire universe. Undoubtedly, his contribution not only transformed mathematics, but also inspired new ways of thinking in other disciplines. Could art be more fascinating under the light of Leibniz's infinitesimal calculus? Each masterpiece of art, like every perfect mathematical formula, is composed of millions of tiny brush strokes that together create beauty. Leibniz, always so restless of mind, established that understanding these tiny details gives us an astonishing clarity about the whole. Just as in a symphony, each note has a vital role, in calculus, every small change counts. It's no coincidence that this approach even influences today's digital art, where pixels, similar to Leibniz's concepts, construct what we admire on a screen. In our daily lives, we often ignore the small, but Leibniz invites us to rediscover its importance. Leibniz's path to the infinitesimal began with an insatiable desire to understand change, the constant flow of nature. Imagine a river whose current never stops. Now imagine measuring every drop of water that together form this mighty force. For him, all complex problems could be broken down into these small components and solved through this approach. His contributions not only opened new doors in the field of mathematics, but also shed light on new dimensions in physics and engineering. In a world where change is the only constant, Leibniz discovered the right language to describe it, serving as a source of inspiration for future mathematicians and scientists. Leibniz understood that in the small and seemingly irrelevant lay the key to the grandiose. Just as a single grain of sand can be part of a vast desert, infinitesimals build larger realities than we can perceive at first glance. This perspective has been revolutionary not only in science, but also in how we appreciate other areas of our daily lives. Ask yourself how many times you've overlooked the small, the inaudible, the invisible, when in reality everything is an essential fragment of the complex equation of the universe. Perhaps the micro is as relevant as the macro, and Leibniz, with his deep understanding of infinitesimal calculus, invites us to look closely and discover the art hidden among the tiny. To access more content like this, subscribe to the channel and don't miss what's coming next.